Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you're fine. Friends, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Today we will learn a rhyme. Rain, rain, go away. Are you ready? Let's sing with me. Okay. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Let the choo-choo and so play. Rain, rain, go away. Hurry up, friends. Sing with me. Rain, go away. Come again another day. Let the choo-choo and so play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Let the choo-choo and so play. Rain, rain, go away. I hope you enjoy it and learn so much. Wait for my next video. Love you. Bye-bye, friends.